What is up, everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another Diecast car video, and today we have the light blue Yoshi standard Kart from the Hot Wheels Mario Kart series, and I've been finding this in quite a while, so when I saw it in the shelves, I picked it up because, well, have our buddies here, green and red Yoshi, so they'll be at the background because, well, we'll be opening this light blue Yoshi to add to the Yoshi with standard card collection. Yeah, before I open it, here's the back. There's the other cars. The new ones, I believe, are Baby Mario with the B Dasher, with Princess Daisy, and what do you call that? Wild Wing? Yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up. So I'll put you aside first, red and green Yoshi. For now, we'll focus on light blue Yoshi, which we have right here. So this is light blue Yoshi. Of course, for Yoshi, it is in light blue, which is in the same paint job as the card itself. The cart is also light blue, matching the Yoshi itself. It also has that Yoshi logo. Hold on, let me show you. There's the Yoshi logo on the front. Right there. There's the Yoshi itself. Yoshi! And then you have some light blue trims, pretty nice. The base is yellow, by the way, and also there are some white plastic parts, of course. Practice cart is basically the same thing, almost every time, just a color difference. Take a look at the base here. Standard cart, 2018, Mattel. Made in Thailand. Looks like finally green and red Yoshi will have some best friends here, which are blue Yoshi, light blue Yoshi. If I happen to know that Mattel is releasing a black Yoshi, I think I will get it, because I want the black Yoshi very badly, but it's not in a standard cart, right? I don't think so. No. Yeah, it was in a different cart. I don't remember which cart. Oh yeah, it was in the 8 something. I don't remember the name. P-Wing, I think. Yeah, P-Wing. So, if they release a black Yoshi with the standard cart, I'll try to find it. And yeah, there you go. That's the variants of the Yoshis. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and do leave a like on this video. See you soon. Bye bye.